How to find saved videos on YouTube. Let's get started. Launch your YouTube app. You will land to the home page. Firstly, I'm gonna save few of the videos. At the bottom right corner of the video, you will find three dots. Click on it. With that, different options will appear. You can choose the option of save to watch later or save to playlist to save this video. So I'm gonna select the option of save to watch later. After you save the video, where can you find it? At the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Click on the option of view. Now over here, you're gonna find different sections. Head towards the section of playlist. Click on the option of view all. Over here, you're gonna find different options as watch later, liked videos, and so on. Click on the option of watch later. So in this page, you will be able to find all the saved videos. Likewise, head back. In the case you have created playlist and saved any of the video over there, you will be able to find the playlist over here. You can just open that playlist and you will be able to find your saved video. So this is how you can easily find saved videos on YouTube. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.